Alright, welcome back to another video, and today is going to be another exciting one because I will be giving away this microphone that I'll be unboxing and reviewing in this video. But without further ado, let's just do a first impression, first unboxing of the FIFINE Tank 3. And obviously, thank you FIFINE for sponsoring today's video. They did send me over this package, but everything that I will be saying is going to be what I think. So yeah, without further ado, let's dive in. So you can see it's pretty nice unpackaging, boxing I should say. And there you can see a sort of user guide menu. Also got the few foam, pretty good quality. And here it goes, the microphone itself. This is actually very sturdy, and I'm not sure if you can kind of see it through the videos, but it is very solid. It is in fact, I think, heavier than the one that I had before compared to this FIFINE mic that I got from them before. That was the AM8, but this is the Tank 3. Maybe that's why it's called Tank, because the build quality is so solid. But yeah, with that out of the way, it did came with a USB-C cable, USB-A to USB-C. So there is two ports they can plug it in, but we'll talk about it later on. But basically USB-C, USB-C and XLR. So yeah, let's see what else is in there. Okay, that's basically it. Let me just put this on real quick, swap out my current FIFINE microphone, and let's talk more once I've done that. I just did a bit of troubleshooting because the mount on my original mic arm doesn't fit the mounting design on the Tank 3, so I had to go find another of these stand, and now it works perfectly fine. So if I just put them all together like this, it'll just stand up perfectly. Oh, by the way, this stand is also from FIFINE. So this mic, the AM8, is actually supposed to go with this stand, but since this one doesn't fit and I'm not currently using it, so that's why I kind of did a bit of problem solving, but just something to keep in mind. Alrighty, now I got the mic hooked up to my MacBook, and you're the judge yourself. So with these kind of mics, you do want to be very directional, so it shouldn't be on the sides and staying about this sort of distance, like from your thumb to your pinky. Now in terms of the feature for this Tank 3 dynamic microphone, as I mentioned in the unboxing, it's got the tap to mute button, as you can see over here on the back. So if I just click this button while I'm speaking, I was saying if I tap this button, you won't hear me anymore because it turned red. And in some cases, this can be very useful. It's also got a audio gain control, so that's for the input. So if I just turn the knob down, you can kind of hear my voice kind of going lower and lower, even though I'm staying the same distance, 6 inches away. It got louder now. Let me turn it shorter. So it all depends on your likings. And of course, besides the audio input gain, there's also the audio output, which if you're recording a podcast, you can definitely plug in a headphone in the back to monitor what you're saying. Now, something worth mentioning is that it is a dual source microphone, so meaning you can plug it in both through XLR and USB-C. It all depends on your setup. For my setup personally, I just use a USB-C because I don't have a audio controller like a hub, but the difference in the results will not be too much difference. And also, while I was unboxing, I mentioned that it is a very solid build, and that's because it is in fact all metal. Now I will say though, I think this is the most expensive mic that it released. This was only $60. I mean, it also sounds good, but I think this Build quality is much better compared to this sort of plastic. It's still good, but you know, I much prefer a more solid build. You know, it just feels better. Now comes the part that we've all came in here for, which is the giveaway. So I'll be announcing the winner 2 weeks from posting this video, when you're seeing this video, and all the information, how you enter, different rules and things that you need to know will be on my Instagram account. So make sure to click the link, check my Instagram profile, and hopefully you as one of the lucky audience will win this microphone. But yeah, that's my review on the FIFINE Tank 3. Thanks again FIFINE for sponsoring today's video, and of course if you're interested, I've already left links down in the description, so if you're interested, make sure to check it out. And yeah, with all that out of the way, make sure to leave a like and drop a sub, and hopefully I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.